Hermoso. Hermoso.
Yes po.
Oh, you can introduce yourself.
I'm Jero Hermoso from Philippines. My work is Takutis.
I cannot hear you. And
I'm Jerome Hermoso from Philippines.
yeah, how old are you?
I'm 40 years old. I'm applying for cook. My experience is almost 10 years. In saute, grill, pasta. Before in Saudi Arabia, in Qatar, last 2021.